What aloe vera does to your body, why the Egyptians called it the plant of immortality. The aloe vera plant can be traced back 6,000 years to early Egypt, while many ancient works including the Bible, refer to the use of aloe. Egyptians revered the aloe vera plant and considered it to be the plant of immortality. Its amazing healing properties can treat a wide variety of diseases and health ailments. Here are some proven health benefits of aloe vera. Heals burns quickly. This herb has been traditionally used for burn healing, yet in 1959, the FDA approved this herb as a safe and natural treatment. Prevents wrinkles and improves skin. Studies have confirmed that aloe vera can slow down the aging of the skin, prevent facial wrinkles, and improve the elasticity of the skin. Treats canker sores. A study showed that the healing time, pain score and wound size are significantly reduced when aloe vera is applied to the affected spots. Antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Aloe vera is abundant in antioxidants such as polyphenols, and natural antibacterial compounds. The gel contains most of the bioactive compounds in the plant, which are useful to relieve skin infections. Reduces dental plaque. A study showed that aloe vera was equally as effective in reducing plaque as commercial mouthwashes. Also, it effectively fights oral diseases. Relieves sunburns. This plant has anti-inflammatory aiding properties that can provide direct soothing relief. Additionally, it reduces the redness due to sunburn and relieves skin irritations. Here is a list of several other health benefits. Improves digestion. Lowers high blood sugar levels. Improves heart health. Boosts immunity. Soothes acid reflux. Treats gum diseases. Lowers cholesterol and triglycerides levels. Treats hair loss and improves hair health. Treats constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. Relieves joint and muscle pain. Inhibits cancerous growth. Prevents oxidative stress. Improves oxygenation of the blood. Relieves nausea. Soothes arthritis pain. Treats PMS symptoms and menstrual pain. Well, now you can buy aloe vera plants at the local plant nursery, or purchase the product from the local markets and pharmacies.